If you really like to go to different places, nice ones to take pictures for fun or hang out with friends, you should totally come check out this place. It's located in Tamarind Square in Cyberjaya, Selangor in Malaysia. Today, my friend and I choose this little cafe in this spot to hang out for dinner. The name of the cafe is Glaze Eatery. It's a really nice, small and clean cafe. We like it. But what's most importantly is the food here is really cheap. The portion is acceptable, but yeah, the price is super cheap. It's only like 30 something ringgit for like one pasta and one chicken chop. So we are really happy about it. There's also like some desserts. Looks good, but we didn't order any of it. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me likes and comments. Thank you very much. I love ya. Have a good day ahead.